Rob came over this morning. We decided that we would do the toppers. They're not glued in yet, and they're just placed in position. We worked until we ran out of toppers, and we need a couple more blocks. And we'll get those in another day. Even the little critters like the wall. You can see one down there. Yeah, he was sunbathing for a bit. So we'll go down and take a look. We decided to put another row on row 4, or another block, to make it a little higher. So we need approximately 5 more blocks. And I need to make a guesstimate on how many toppers we need. I'm guessing, roughly 10 more toppers. And then the dirt. It's looking more now like the finished product. We have the different spots that need to be filled in with dirt. And that will be next weekend's project. We'll get the dirt probably Thursday, Friday. Rob said he'd be back over, and we will fill in all the spots. A rough guesstimate, I don't think we're going to have enough dirt to do it all, but we'll see. Even our round wall turned out pretty nice. It was a little tough putting the toppers on, but what I decided, rather than cutting the toppers to fit, I had all these little pie-shaped pieces left from cutting other toppers, and they fit in wonderfully, even over there by the fence. While we were doing our digging, we came across this railroad tie. How in the world it got into the yard, I have no idea. But for a souvenir, Janice wants to keep it. So there it is. Looking at the wall from this point of view, I feel as though I did a fairly good job. I'm quite happy with the results. And even if I do say so myself, I think it looks a lot better than what the contractor did. The blocks are more even. And I think we did a good job. I hope you do too. Tomorrow's project will be gluing the blocks, gluing the toppers, and gluing the steps. Some of the steps have shifted and they will need to be adjusted, but that's no big deal. After a hard day's work, time to water the tomatoes and the flowers. And this afternoon, sun is giving us a rainbow. I'm hoping you can see it.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.